Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon all over the world, everybody. This is David Maley at Smoothie Guy is my YouTube handle, at Smoothie Guy. And I'm a Reliv Independent Distributor for Reliv International since 1995. And today, I'm gonna do the 5-minute workout talking about my power station. Man, you've got to get one of these. 5 minutes is better than no minutes. Remember that, I always say that. 5 is better than none. And it maintains what you've worked for if you just get out and do it. Nothing better than this thing and my associated equipment around it, but I'm going to show you a few exercises that I do on the power station. Also, this tripod's got to stand up. Also known as a dip bar, pull-up bar, and it's got like 6 different workouts. I want to say, first of all, what I do is I always give my shoulders some love before I do this, because I'm about to do some assisted dips and pull-ups. This is shoulders, this is triceps, this is pecs and lats. Okay, so I always roll my shoulders out both ways. I cross over, I do it here too. I also roll out my wrists both ways and I squeeze, and then I roll my shoulders back, palms out, adjust your hips. You'll hear all kinds of stuff popping forward, roll it back, up, that's your stretch. 5 minutes better than no minutes. First of all, what I like to do is do a quick hang, and I'm trying to get this in 5 minutes. So I'm going to hang here, and listen, if you let this go, you're going to feel so much better in your shoulders, your back, and you'll hear your spine popping. And once you get that stretch in, listen, I don't do full pull, I do assisted. Listen, I just give it a little hop off the ground here. You know, you just give yourself a little hop. My nephew and I were talking about it the other day, how much pressure there is on your shoulders. So just give yourself a little hop and get in as many as you can, and eventually you'll be doing full pull-ups. Then you're going to do wide angle, same thing. Look. All right, so I did pull-ups. I'm going to do push-ups. And if you can't do, regular push-ups, do them on your knees. You're still going to get a great workout. I know I'm yelling at the camera. I got a headset on, so sorry about that. All right, so as deep as you can go. I like to shoulder up like this and squeeze my abs, and that's working pecs and triceps. Again, I didn't even change clothes for this because I'm busy. I don't have time, and I'm doing a video. So I did the push-ups, I did the pull-ups, and you're going to see here I'm going to do a few dips. And again, on the dips, look at that sun, that's beautiful, isn't it? On the dips, I go assisted on the dips. I assist. Look, I kick off the ground. I pull my knees up. I lean a little in, pull my knees up. So I'm getting a crunch in here too. All right. And look, I'm gonna flip around. I'm gonna do crunches. I go here, I turn sideways. I'll do 5 to 10 crunches here. I'll do 5 to 10 in the middle. Legs up. I'll do 5 to 10 over here. Believe me, you're gonna know this. You can do, what do you call these? What do you call those? See, I'm done. All right, dips, crunches. Oh yeah, triceps. Come down here and do some triceps. Okay. And look, 5 minutes better than no minutes. I just got a great workout in. I've been talking to you guys. And I'm telling you, workout outside calisthenics, no gym membership. You can see all my stuff is outside. I got my incline bench. Thank you to my heterosexual life partner. And I also do burpees, and I got my jump rope over there. There's my jump rope. So burpees, push-ups, sit-ups, and all this stuff. David Maley at Smoothie Guy. That's my handle on YouTube, at Smoothie Guy. Independent distributor since 1995 for protein, plant-based core nutrition, A through Z vitamins, minerals, and herbs in one product, fiber products, probiotics, women's health, kids smoothies, sports nutrition. Remember, make your health your hobby. 5 minutes better than none. Come back. Links in the description. Like, subscribe. Talk to you later.